Why should you be the expert that knows the experts? Good morning, everybody. This is Josh Ezell, Break the Real Estate and Property Management. Hope you're having a fantastic week. We're discussing why you need to be the expert that actually knows the experts. And what I mean by that is you are the expert in the real estate industry. And today specifically, I'm speaking to you realtors. We are the experts on the transaction. We are not the experts on the home. We're not the experts on the loan. We're not the experts on the condition of so many different things, right? We are the expert on you found the home you love, which we help them find. We will get them from point A to point B to the closing of this transaction. But there are so many people involved, right? So what I want to challenge you today is be the expert who knows the experts. Don't try to be the landscaper. Don't be the AC guy. Don't be the plumber. Don't be the electrician. Don't be the home inspector. Don't be the lender. Don't be the escrow officer. Be the realtor. Know the contract like the back of your hand. Know the timelines like the back of your hand. Know how all the pieces from every single one of these players fits together. So the moment your client says, I have a question about this, if it's in your wheelhouse, boom, bust it out. But empower everyone else. Empower title questions with the title people. If you have lender questions, let's get the lender on the phone. Let's hear it straight from the horse's mouth. Oh, you have a question about the inspection? Boom, boom, boom. Let's call the inspector. Let's conference call and let's hear it directly. Be the person who makes connections happen. That is the beauty of our industry. It limits your liability. It empowers other people. It makes the process smoother, better, and it allows you to actually learn so much more because you're hearing all these things straight from the other experts. Have an awesome day. I'll talk to you tomorrow.